I had ordered this Sandisk memory card of 64 GB. It's a Sandisk EXTREME 64 GB memory card that I had ordered from Flipkart on 14th of October, and I got this product on 21st of October. Somehow the product was different. It was a Sandisk Ultra memory card that I had received in place of Sandisk EXTREME. So I had asked Flipkart to replace this product, and it was replaced. So today I have received this product, the replacement product. Flipkart had accepted my replacement, and this product is over here. The replacement has been accepted today, that is October 30th, and these are three three packages that I have received for the same order: first, second and third. If you notice, my order number was this, ends with 6000. Now I have got this three replacement with the order number replacement with the ID is this order ID with 63000. Okay, and this written as prepaid, do not collect cash, and these are the invoices, and it's completely sealed from each and every part, fully sealed. This area is also completely sealed. I have not opened it so far. Okay, the same as for this one. The order ID remains the same, 6000. If you can see this area, let me focus over here. I'm going to focus. Yeah, you can see this. It ends with 6000. Now over here it has the same thing, please do not collect cash, and it has my address. The AWP number is there, and you can pause and watch this order number details. Same invoice number. This one is completely sealed, as you can see, and I have not opened it so far, so it's looking good. The thing I need to see is whether it's having the right product or not. This is the third product. See, this is having the same order ID, and the invoice number is given over here. The same thing, prepaid, do not collect cash, and that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox them one by one, and I'm going to check whether I've got the right product or not. So yeah, it's fully sealed. So what I'll do is I'll use my razor blade to cut this open and check for myself what is present inside this pack. So I'm just putting my first scar over here. Okay, and now I'm going to open it out. So I've cut it, and there's something inside here. Okay, I got the invoice, something, and let's see. Well guys, it's the same product that I've received, Sandisk Ultra 64 GB. It's not what I had requested. What I had requested is this product. What I had requested is this Sandisk EXTREME 64 GB, and it had a memory card and an adapter along with this. Okay, while what I have received is this. It's a Sandisk Ultra memory card. So again, it's not what I have received. So not at all the right item. This is the first one I have received, and got the invoice. I'm not sure what this invoice is, but yes, if you see the invoice, it's so strange that they write it so specifically that it's a SDXC invoice, and the entire thing is written in such a way that it says adapter, memory card with adapter and stuff. So it's a total misrepresentation over here. Let me open the other ones and check what is in store for me. I'm keeping this aside, and this is one. Second one, I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to unbox this, and let's see. Same thing is the Sandisk Ultra that I've received. I should have received Sandisk Extreme. Okay, same thing. The seller is not a good one at all. He's selling the cheaper item. This is a cheaper item. I had ordered Extreme. Let me see the third one. Same thing over here. It's a cheaper one, Sandisk Ultra, while I had ordered Sandisk Extreme. So guys, this is a total rip-off. I have not received the right item. Thanks for watching this video.